Welcome back to HD Coin Value. Have you ever held a coin in your hand and wondered about its hidden value? Today, we uncover the incredible story behind the 2002 USA 1 dime, an overlooked treasure that might just surprise you with its true worth. The 2002 D1 dime, minted in Denver, is part of the long-standing Roosevelt dime series. First introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, this series has become a staple of American coinage. But the 2002 D dime stands out for its unique characteristics and growing value among collectors. The Roosevelt dime was created to commemorate Roosevelt's role in founding the March of Dimes, a campaign to combat polio. By 2002, the Denver Mint produced millions of dimes, but not all of them were ordinary. Some coins have distinct features and rare qualities that set them apart. While the 2002 D dime might look like an ordinary coin, collectors are fascinated by its flawless design, rarity in high grades, and the potential for errors during production. Coins with unique characteristics, such as die cracks, off-center strikes, or proof-like finishes, fetch premium prices. Minted in Denver, the 2002 D dime was struck with precision, but even a slight variation or error can transform it into a valuable collectible. Coins graded MS 67 or higher by professional grading services are especially prized. The D mint mark signifies that this coin was produced in Denver. Mint marks are essential in identifying a coin's origin, and for collectors, specific mint marks can significantly impact a coin's value. Although millions of these dimes were minted, finding one in perfect condition with no wear and tear is rare. High-grade examples are sought after by collectors and can command impressive prices at auctions. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70. A 2002 D dime in circulated condition may be worth its face value, but in uncirculated mint state, the value skyrockets. For example, an MS-68 coin could fetch hundreds of dollars. Collectors love error coins, and the 2002 D dime is no exception. Look out for dimes with misstrikes, doubled dies, or missing mint marks. These errors make them one-of-a-kind treasures. In recent years, high-grade 2002 D dimes have sold for as much as $100 to $500 in online auctions. These results demonstrate the growing demand for pristine examples of this coin. Collectors appreciate the 2002 D dime for its historical significance, rarity in top grades, and potential to increase in value over time. It's more than a coin, it's a piece of history and an investment. To determine if your dime is valuable, examine its condition carefully. Avoid coins with scratches or wear, and consider getting them graded by a professional service. The value of the 2002 D dime is steadily rising as more collectors seek out rare and high-quality examples. Holding on to this coin could be a smart investment for the future. Organizations like PCGS and NGC grade coins and authenticate their value. A certified 2002 D dime in a high grade can fetch premium prices at auctions and from private buyers. The Denver Mint has a long history of producing some of the finest coins in the United States. The 2002 D dime continues this tradition of excellence. Joining a community of coin collectors can help you learn more about the value of your coins. Sharing your discoveries could lead to exciting opportunities and new connections. The Roosevelt dime series is gaining traction among collectors worldwide. Coins like the 2002 D dime are becoming increasingly valuable as interest grows. Every coin tells a story, and the 2002 D dime is no exception. By collecting and preserving these coins, you're keeping history alive and investing in your future. Some collectors have reported selling their 2002 D dimes for as much as $600 at auctions. With dedication and a keen eye, you could achieve similar success. Start by checking your pocket change or old collections. Who knows? You might already own a 2002 D dime that's worth far more than its face value. The 2002 D USA 1 dime is more than just a coin. It's a valuable piece of history waiting to be discovered. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of this exciting legacy. Next up, the 1983 D USA 1 dime. Could this coin be the next big discovery in the world of coin collecting? Let's find out. The 1983 D1 dime, minted in Denver, is part of the iconic Roosevelt dime series. While it may seem like a simple coin at first glance, its historical importance, scarcity in high grades, and potential for future appreciation make it a standout among collectors. Minted nearly 4 decades ago, the 1983 D dime carries the legacy of the Roosevelt dime series, which started in 1946. Its significance lies in its production quality, rarity in uncirculated condition, and the potential for valuable mint errors. Introduced to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt and his efforts in combating polio, the Roosevelt dime has remained a cornerstone of U.S. coinage. The 1983 D dime continues this legacy, with a design that symbolizes strength and resilience. The Denver Mint struck millions of dimes in 1983, but coins in pristine condition with no wear or damage are rare today. Additionally, mint errors and variations from this year have captured the attention of collectors worldwide. Collectors appreciate the 1983 D dime for its scarcity in high grades. Coins graded MS-67 or higher by professional grading services are incredibly difficult to find, making them highly valuable in the numismatic market. The D mint mark on this dime indicates it was minted in Denver. Mint marks not only signify the coin's origin, but also play a significant role in determining its value and collectability. Error coins from 1983, such as off-center strikes, double dies, or misaligned dies, are especially valuable. If you're lucky enough to find one, it could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In circulated condition, the 1983 D dime might fetch a modest price, but in uncirculated condition, its value can soar. High-grade examples have been known to sell for as much as $250 at auctions. As interest in the Roosevelt dime series continues to grow, the 1983 D dime has the potential to appreciate in value significantly. Coins in mint condition, or with rare errors, could become even more valuable over time. Several factors influence the value of the 1983 D dime, including its condition, rarity, and historical significance. Coins graded MS-68 or higher are exceptionally rare and can command premium prices. Look for a sharp strike, full bands on the torch, and no signs of wear or damage. If your coin meets these criteria, it could be a hidden treasure worth grading and preserving. Some 1983 D dimes have set impressive records at auctions. For example, a high-grade example once sold for over $350, proving that even modern coins can achieve remarkable values. The 1983 D dime is a long-term investment. As the years pass and high-grade examples become scarcer, their value is likely to increase, making it a smart addition to any collection. Professional grading services like PCGS and NGC can authenticate and grade your coin, giving it a seal of quality that significantly enhances its market value. Coins in poor condition might not hold much value, but those in near-perfect condition, with no scratches or blemishes, are highly sought after by serious collectors. More and more collectors are recognizing the value of Roosevelt dimes, especially from the 1980s. The 1983 D dime is a prime example of a modern coin that's gaining attention in the numismatic community. Store your coin in a protective holder or case to prevent damage. Avoid cleaning it, as this can reduce its value. A well-preserved coin will always fetch a higher price. Don't underestimate the coins in your collection. The 1983 D dime might look ordinary, but its value lies in its condition and rarity. Start your collecting journey today and discover the hidden potential in everyday coins. While the current value of a high-grade 1983 D dime can reach $450, the potential for future appreciation is limitless. With increasing demand and fewer coins in perfect condition, who knows how high its value could climb? The 1983 D USA 1 dime is more than just a coin. It's a piece of history with immense potential. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious beginner, this dime deserves a place in your collection. Don't miss the opportunity to own a coin that could become a future treasure. Next up, the 1982 D USA 1 dime. You won't believe how valuable this little piece of history can be. Have you ever held a dime in your hand and wondered if it could be worth more than just 10 cents? The 1982 D1 dime, minted at the Denver Mint, is one such coin that could surprise you. Its value and history make it a must-have for collectors. The 1982 D1 dime is part of the Roosevelt dime series, introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The coin reflects the strength and determination of a nation overcoming challenges, making it a powerful symbol of American history. In 1982, the Denver Mint struck millions of these dimes for circulation. It was a time when the U.S. economy was transitioning, and coins like this played a crucial role in everyday transactions. While millions were minted, very few 1982 D dimes have survived in pristine condition. Coins in mint state, especially those graded MS-67 or higher, are rare and highly sought after by collectors. The Denver Mint is known for producing high-quality coins, and the D mint mark on this dime signifies its origin. Coins from this mint are often prized for their craftsmanship and rarity in high grades. A circulated 1982 D dime might be worth its face value, but in uncirculated condition, it can fetch prices ranging from $50 to $250, depending on its grade. Error coins and high-grade examples can sell for even more. The highest recorded auction price for a 1982 D dime is over $500, making it a coin that can surprise collectors and sellers alike. As interest in this series grows, its value could skyrocket in the future. The demand for the 1982 D dime is growing. Collectors, investors, and history enthusiasts are all eager to add this coin to their collections, especially in high-grade conditions or with unique minting errors. Some 1982 D dimes feature errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or missing mint marks. These errors make the coin even more valuable, with some fetching hundreds of dollars at auctions. The combination of historical significance, scarcity in high grades, and the potential for mint errors makes the 1982 D dime a standout in the numismatic world. It's not just a coin, it's an investment. Roosevelt dimes have become increasingly popular among collectors, and the 1982 D dime is no exception. Its value is only expected to grow as more people recognize its importance. Look for coins with no signs of wear, a sharp strike, and full bands on the torch. These are the hallmarks of a high-grade coin that could fetch a premium price. To maintain its value, store your dime in a protective case and avoid cleaning it. Even minor scratches or blemishes can reduce its worth, so handle it with care. Getting your 1982 D dime, graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC, can significantly increase its value. A high-grade certification can turn a simple coin into a prized possession. The 1982 D dime is a coin with untapped potential. Its value today is just the beginning. With time, its rarity and desirability will only increase. Even if you're new to coin collecting, the 1982 D dime is a great place to start. It's affordable, historic, and has the potential for significant appreciation in value. Many 1982 D dimes have been sold at auctions, with high-grade examples achieving remarkable prices. Keep an eye on the market to understand its true potential. The future value of the 1982 D dime is unpredictable but promising. With increasing demand and decreasing supply, it's not far-fetched to imagine this coin reaching values of $800 or more in the coming years. Many collectors have found treasures in their pocket change. The 1982 D dime could be your hidden gem, waiting to be discovered and appreciated for its true value. The 1982 D USA 1 dime is more than just a coin. It's a piece of history, a potential investment, and a collector's dream. Don't underestimate its value. Start looking through your coins today. Next up, the 1996 PUSA 1 dime coin. If you're a coin enthusiast, or even just someone looking for hidden treasures, you're in for a treat, because this coin is much more than just a small denomination. Let's explore why this little dime could be worth much more than its face value. At first glance, the 1996 PUSA 1 dime may seem like just another piece of currency. After all, it's from a year that's not too far back in history. But there's something about this coin that makes it incredibly special and valuable, even for collectors who typically focus on older coins. So, what exactly makes the 1996 PUSA 1 dime stand out? Let's start with its history. The year 1996 was a remarkable year in the United States. The country was celebrating its 220th anniversary, and on the economic front, the US Mint was busy producing a variety of coins for circulation. But hidden among the millions of regular dimes produced, that year was a rare variety that would make waves in the numismatic world. Here's where things get interesting. The 1996 PUSA 1 dime is special due to its mintage characteristics. While the standard dimes of the year were produced in massive numbers, certain coins have been discovered to have subtle minting flaws or specific characteristics that make them more desirable to collectors. This is where the story of value begins. Now, for those unfamiliar with mint marks, let me explain. Every US coin minted for circulation bears a mint mark, indicating where it was produced. The letter P on the 1996 dimes signifies that the coin was minted at the Philadelphia Mint. While most dimes from this year were produced in large quantities, The specific combination of the 1996p mint mark and its subtle unique traits caught the attention of numismatists and collectors alike. So, what makes this coin stand out from the other dimes? It's the rarity, the imperfections, and its growing demand in the coin market. A key factor is the fact that only a limited number of 1996p dimes were set aside for collectors or did not circulate heavily, making them harder to find in mint condition. Another important aspect is the grade of the coin. In the world of numismatics, the condition of a coin plays a massive role in its value. A well-preserved 1996 P1 dime in uncirculated condition can fetch significantly higher prices than a coin that has been circulated or damaged over time. Over the years, the value of the 1996 PUSA 1 dime has steadily risen. In 2023, an uncirculated 1996 P1 dime in pristine condition was estimated to be worth around $50 to $750. However, in rare cases, coins with perfect or nearly perfect grading, such as MS67 or higher, have been known to reach over $1,000. It's no wonder collectors are eagerly searching for these coins. But why is this dime so desirable? Why are so many people looking to own one? The answer lies not just in the rarity of the coin, but in the history and the story it tells. The 1996p dime, with its timeless design and unique minting history, represents more than just a piece of currency. It's a link to a moment in time. For collectors, owning one of these coins is like owning a small piece of American history. As collectors, we all know that owning rare coins gives us a sense of pride. But this particular dime, the 1996p, holds a special place in many collections. There's something about the rarity of finding one in perfect condition, the thrill of knowing you've found a true gem that makes it highly sought after. While some coins might be overlooked in the market, the 1996 PUSA 1 dime has shown a remarkable ability to maintain and even increase in value. Coins like this don't just sit in drawers. They're often sold at auctions or online, fetching high prices when the right buyer comes along. Investors and coin enthusiasts alike recognize the potential for future gains, making this coin a valuable asset for anyone looking to diversify their collection. Collectors who specialize in Roosevelt dimes, in particular, know that the 1996p mint mark is one of those keys to unlocking hidden value. They know that a high-grade 1996p dime, especially one that hasn't been circulated, can become a cornerstone piece of their collection, representing not only the year it was minted, but also the years of growing interest it will continue to attract. While the 1996 PUSA 1 dime may not be the oldest coin in the collection, it's certainly one that holds a unique place in American numismatics. This coin, with its intriguing rarity and historical significance, serves as a reminder that value doesn't always come from age. Sometimes it comes from rarity, condition, and demand. Imagine the satisfaction of owning a coin like this. Not just because it's rare, but because it carries the potential to increase in value over time. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, the 1996 P1 dime is a must-have for your collection. If you're interested in adding this valuable dime to your collection, make sure to do your research and find one in the best possible condition. And remember, the market for rare coins is always evolving. So, don't wait too long. This could be your chance to own a piece of history. Thanks for watching, coin enthusiasts. Be sure to subscribe to HD Coin Value for more fascinating insights into the world of rare coins. And who knows, your next valuable find might just be waiting in your pocket. Until next time, happy hunting.